Hey friends, welcome back to my life. My name is Maurishea. If you don't know, now you know. And by today's title, you already know what we about to get into, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to you, girl, because it doesn't hurt you. Alright, y'all saw a little few clips of us driving, because I didn't get to do my intro in the beginning because it was a lot happening. But yes, y'all, we are on our first road trip to Maryland. It's gonna take us 24 hours to get there, and yeah, so we about to get on the road again. He had to put some air in one of the tires. And yeah, y'all, it is currently 1:48. As y'all saw, we left out like at 9, so 20 more hours to go. See y'all. Y'all see he got a haircut. So y'all, we stopped again at the gas station to get some gas. It's currently, we tried just resting a bit in the car, just a bit, because I've always wanted to do that. I just find it interesting, so I'm like, oh shoot, let's just try that. We got 19 more hours to go. Oh, so sorry, y'all. This is how you know you dirty tired, when your eyes start watering. Oh yeah, your girl got her lashes done, and I got my eyebrows done. I did my nails, and I did my hair. Oh yeah, I didn't even tell y'all why we're going to Maryland. Did I tell y'all? Okay, so we're going back home because hubby's family lives there, so I'm going to see my in-laws and stuff like that, and I'm very, very excited. I mean, Ramis is going to see, you know, his dad's side of the family, and his dad's side of the family is very big, which he's so excited. Woo! He's so freaking handsome, y'all. Okay, we're not doing that. And we're gonna be down there for practically 5 days, and we're gonna drive back. It's crazy because I manifest this, y'all. I really manifest this. I said, oh, I want to like do one big road trip. You excited to see Gigi? Yes. You excited to see Uncle Danye? Yes. You excited to see Aunt Muffin? Yes. You excited to see Aunt Sade? Yes. You excited to see Aunt Devay? Yes. You excited to see Aunt Mina? Yes. You excited to see your cousins? Yes. Woo! It's time to go to sleep. Like, this is the car that hubby want, y'all.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once.
Y'all, we stopped to use the bathroom. But yeah, y'all, rule number 1, don't touch that, remember? We came, damn, they don't even got no fucking soap. We rested for like 3 hours. Here. And boom, we started driving at 6. Yeah. And now it's like 8 something. So yeah. Here, give me a hand. But yeah, I think we're in Louisiana. I think so. Yeah, it's super hot. But do I have to push? Then I'm gonna get some water. We went to the Circle K. So we stopped at Mickey D's.
How many?
Just 2.
Okay.
And then can I also get just one of the orange juice?
What size?
A medium.
Just decided to eat because I know he usually eats in the morning. I don't eat no breakfast food. So it's either now or I eat super late. And I know I'm probably gonna regret eating super late, but shit, I'd rather do that. So yeah, y'all, we about to switch. I'm about to start driving. I'm gonna sit here. All right, we ready? Let's go. It's raining. It's actually a storm, actually. It is 4:04. It just said we had 11. Oh, it's showing y'all now. We got 11 hours to go, which is not bad. We'll get there by 4 or 4 a.m. I think that's a.m. We're at McDonald's because A, he has to use the bathroom, and B, he said he wanted to pull over so the storm can calm down. And I asked him way before, I'm like, oh, you want me to drive? You want me to drive? And he said no. So you wanna sit with me?
Yeah.
Your dad coming right there. You better move before he say something to you. Ooh, sorry, fool.
Of course.
So how do you feel, Ramise?
I feel happy.
You feeling happy? Looking like your damn dad. Oh, I'm sorry. I couldn't catch that much because I don't want to keep repeating the same stuff. Y'all see the street, the trees, cars. It's the same 3 things. So that's why I'm trying to talk a little bit more. Try to catch more of, you know, you want to be in the baby?
I'll be baby.
Look at this. This is gonna be the thumbnail. Smile. Good job, guys. My beautiful family. Next clip, y'all see us back on the road. Alright, see ya.
See ya.
Peace.
See ya.
Cover it.
See ya.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your afraid. Finish your lunch, pennies in a bunch. Tell me where you've been at these last couple months.
I think we're in North Carolina and it's currently, I gotta pee. It's probably like 9 o'clock. We are 7 hours down. 7 hours down, y'all. I drove for like 3 hours, 6 hours total, so that's not bad at all. I'm hungry, y'all, but I don't want to spend no more money right now. Yo, so we in Fayetteville, however you pronounce it. Darren said this is where J. Cole is from. And then we stopped at Burger King to get some food. This is our last food for you two for dinner. Ooh.
With the camera.
I'm trying to take away the food, so I don't want to eat it.
It's us. We gotta make sure we all eat this, man.
I just ate a fry.
Okay.
Ew.
Let's play fair.
See y'all in the morning. Good night.
Good night.
Yo, so it's Thursday morning, the day that we supposed to make it. I feel a little tired.
Wow.
Last night my stomach was going crazy. I'm taking that to the grave. I'm not eating McDonald's for a minute. I'm gonna show you how much time we have left.
Take care of yourself.
yourself and those around you. Know that high risk factors play a role for severe COVID. Having asthma, diabetes, being overweight. Those are just a few that disproportionately affect the Black community. For a list of risk factors, go to